20 home bar ideas that will impress your guests. Have you always wanted to open a bar at home? Well, now it's easier than ever. We know how hard it can be to come up with ideas for your home bar. You want something unique but also functional, so you don't have to worry about making drinks all the time. So here are some easy ways that are sure to impress your guests without taking up any room or costing too much. Whether it be for entertaining or just relaxing at the end of the day, there are plenty of options out there for you. We'll talk about how you can choose between rustic, modern, and classic styles depending on what kind of vibe you're trying to create at your place. We will give you some home bar concepts and themes, parts of your home that can turn into a home bar, and some DIY things you can do for your home bar. Home bar concepts and themes. 1. Armoire Bar. If you have an old armoire, don't throw it out yet. You can repurpose it into a liquor cabinet for your home bar. What's great about this is that the armoire already has multiple compartments to keep precious wine bottles and bar tools. 2. Fish Tank Bar. A large fish tank is the most basic design for a bar backdrop, but lighting and color-enhancing decorations can be enhanced further. Some people even go as far as converting their entire counter into one big fish tank. 3. Old Piano Bar. A piano already has that elegant feel, especially if you have one of those old grand pianos with ornate designs. Just give that old thing a little makeover and voila, a perfect second life for your old piano. 4. Vintage TV Bar. If you have a Mad Men-style TV from the 1960s, it can be used as an excellent home bar. They're big enough to store several tall bottles and display stemless glasses on top. 5. Old West Rustic Bar. Men like many home bar ideas, and one of them is the Old West concept. This idea includes saloons from westerns with rugged aesthetics to create a warm vibe for guests when they enter your house. 6. Pallet Bar. Turn woodwork talents into a home bar idea with a recycled pallet. It's easy to assemble and cost-efficient. The only costs are some nails and your time. 7. Classic Tiki Bar. Tiki bars rose to popularity in the 1950s when Ernest Gantt opened one of California's first tiki restaurants. This was a popular home bar idea because it had exotic decorations and evoked an escapist longing for tropical regions like those found in South Pacific Islands. 8. Stereo Player Cabinet Wet Bar. Vintage stereo furniture can be used to convert it into an elegant and classy home bar. A cabinet or table with a wide enough structure for storage keeps all of the essentials in one place while also giving off a vintage vibe. 9. Secret Room Bar. Home bar ideas and designs where liquor's secret stash is hidden in plain sight are becoming more popular. The goal is to make the home bar discreet yet accessible, maximizing the wow factor. 10. Treehouse Bar. A treehouse bar is a fun idea for anyone who wants to relive their childhood dreams of building a secret getaway. It requires more work than other home bars, but it has the potential to be the coolest one in your neighborhood. Remodeling parts of your home. 11. Bar under the stairs. If you have an awkward space under your stairs, transform it into a home bar with plenty of room and equipment. It can be used to display all the wine in your collection, or could function as its full-fledged bar. 12. Patio or Deck Bar. You can maximize your patio or deck with space for an outdoor home bar with a bit of imagination. You'll be able to do the entertaining outside and minimize interior remodeling. 13. Window Room Bar with a nice view. Imagine having a home bar with an amazing view that is great for relaxing in the winter and summer. Its natural ventilation will make it easy to breathe, but still enjoy yourself at your own pace. 14. Wine Cellar. Wine cellars are a great addition to any home bar, especially if you're looking for extra storage space. This is because wine isn't the only thing that can be stored in this cellar type. Other drinks such as beer and spirits also make excellent candidates. 15. Plants-inspired bar. Planting a home bar with greenery is such an exciting idea, and we can see why it would be perfect for people who don't have the space outside to build their garden. It's also great if you want your home bar to feel more connected with nature, since all alcohol comes from different types of plants. 16. Elegant Minimalist Bar. When going to home bars, most people want them to look like they're minimalist and easy on the eyes. One of those ways is stripping down a room, so it has only one color with minimal furniture or decor in that single area. Home bar accessories and add-ons. 17. Revolving liquor dispenser. Every drinking party host wants to be the coolest home bartender there is. And sometimes, all it takes is a bit of behind-the-bar flair and the coolest bar tools. Speaking of cool bar tools, one surefire way to make your home bartending experience even cooler: a liquor dispenser. 18. Wine Barrel Vanity Sink. This wine barrel vanity sink is a great addition to your home bar, especially if you're obsessed with wine. It's made from solid oak and measures 36 by 26 inches. 19. Wine Bottle LED Lights. The recent fascination around LED lights is becoming more apparent, with people looking for an excuse to light their living rooms and bedrooms in neon or pastel-hued colors. 20. Keg Stools. That's why keg stools are the perfect home bar idea. After all, whenever you see a beer keg, you probably think of that one time in college when you accepted a keg stand challenge and zonked out in front of everybody. Good times. Whether you already have a home bar or are still in the process of building one, we're confident that our list of ideas will help raise your alcohol serving skills to new heights. Didn't this list of the best home bar ideas inspire you to decorate or remodel your home bar? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your home bar lover friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Advanced Mixology and hit the notification bell button to stay updated.